Someone said that you know what you believe by what you do with your money. You know what you believe by what you do with your money. Oh, but money is the source of my rent. Money is the source of my food. Money pays for my cable. Money pays for my everything, my clothing and this and that and the subway and the bus rides and my vacations and all of that. Certainly I can't trust God with that. When we tithe, when we give, and again, a tithe is a tenth. It's a guideline. Maybe for someone, they can do 1%. Maybe it's a stretch for them to do 1%. Good, do 1%. Maybe it's a stretch for someone to do 5%. Then do 5%. You see, you grow in this practice. You grow. What can you do in your life to begin to stretch yourself and say, okay, I trust God working in my life?